Welcome back to the new Hyblock Capital Terminal. Today, we're introducing one of the most awaited features, alerts. Let's start with a quick insight before diving into the tool. Open a price chart and add an indicator, for example, true retail long percent. Right now, it's sitting at relatively low levels. Apply a highlighter filter to capture instances where retail long percent drops below 35% and overlay it on the price chart. You'll notice that in most cases, Bitcoin tends to move lower when retail long percent falls this low. But constantly watching charts for this setup isn't practical. That's where alerts come in. At the top of the dashboard, click on Alerts. From here, you can define the exact conditions you want to track so you never miss an opportunity. For example, indicator, true retail. Long percent, ticker, BTC. Time frame, 1 day. Parameters, Binance. Perp, longs. Condition, value below 35%. Next, choose how the alert should trigger. One time. Fires once when the condition is met. Once per bar. Repeats every candle where the condition holds. On bar close. Triggers only after the candle closes with the condition met. For confirmation, selecting on bar close is ideal. It ensures the signal is validated at close. Now choose how you want to be notified. In-platform pop-up, email notification. Telegram alerts, coming soon. Webhook, connect to Discord, Slack, or custom systems with your own message. Once set, save the alert with a custom name. Say, retail long percent less than 35%. You'll see it appear on the left panel, where you can toggle it on or off anytime. You can also combine multiple indicators using and/or conditions to track confluences across signals. The goal behind alerts is simple. Make sure you never miss high-probability setups and can act on them in real time. Stay tuned. More powerful updates are coming soon on Hyblock Capital.